This is Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing a lateral inspection video post-repair. Let's push out the main connection via the newly installed 4-inch PVC cleanout. So there's the main 4-inch PVC. Coming up a drop. Ready to get to the top of the drop. Again, we're in 4-inch PVC. It may drop from 4 to 6 right there. Hard to tell though. Then the sewer runs out the back of the house, running down the slope of the backyard currently. Another drop. Maybe that's just toilet paper growing in the, or toilet paper stuck to the side of the pipe. Doesn't look like a hole or anything. Could be soap scum as well. Top of the drop. Where we hooked our PVC on. These rigid couplings to hook onto the Schedule 35 PVC. Back to the T. With top head on it, flush with grade. That concludes the video.